In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the information in your templates 1 week at a time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected. Right now I have after hours selected and I'm going to leave that. Then click on Templates. Once you arrive at your templates chart, select the template you would like to view your weekly information for. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Shifts. Once you arrive at your Shifts page, you'll see all of your shift information in a list view. Another way to view this information is by week. So at the top of your chart, click on Week. And now you should be able to view the information in your template 1 week at a time. You will automatically see the station on the left side and the day of the week across the top. If you want to change this from station to something else, click on the arrow next to station and choose a different category from the drop-down menu. You could choose to view employees per day of the week, client, shift group, start time, hours, and notes. If I click on employee, you'll see this chart changes to show the employees on the left-hand side, and it keeps the days of the week across the top. If I scroll down, you'll see that there are only 3 employees listed. That's because I only have 3 employees being automatically scheduled in this template. If I go back up to the top, the rest of the shifts are empty, meaning I could put anyone in them. If I scroll down, you'll see that there are numbers at the bottom of the chart. Under Monday, it says 7/42. What that is showing is the total number of shifts on Monday and the total number of hours. So I can see that I have 7 shifts on Monday and 42 hours in those shifts. If I scroll up, you'll see there are also numbers under the employees. So under the blank column is 24/150. There are 24 unassigned shifts for a total of 150 hours. You could also click on an individual shift, let's say this 9 a.m. one on Thursday, and view the information for that shift. I can choose to assign this shift to a specific employee. I could say Allison. TeamWork 5 is then going to make sure you do want to make this change. If you don't, choose cancel. If you do, choose OK. I'm going to go ahead and choose cancel. I could also choose to split this shift by choosing this split button, and I can select when that split occurs. So let's say that I just want to split it in half. So I would choose 12:30. If I liked this change, I would hit save. I'm going to go ahead and not hit save at this time. The other thing I could do is I could click edit, and I can adjust the other information for this shift. Just like in the video that walked you through how to add, edit, and delete shifts for your schedule, you can do all of that in this weekly view. I don't want to make any changes, so I'm going to hit close so that nothing is saved. And that's how you can view the information in your template a week at a time and make changes to those shifts. To learn how to view the totals for your template, check out the next video.